Stop searching for random DLLs. If you see the System Data Library DLL error, I have the verified Windows level solution. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's begin. Before we begin our System Data Library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the System Data Library, a foundational assembly for the .NET framework that provides applications with the primary API for database connectivity and data table manipulation, ADO.NET. If corrupted, all .NET applications using local or remote databases will fail with a fatal execution engine error. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Microsoft.NET. Head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the System Data Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone System Data Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining System Data Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve System Data Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.